The right mortgage makes all the difference. RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you find it. Planning to build your dream home? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to construction loans. Step 1. Get pre-approved. A lender reviews your credit, income, assets, and debt-to-income ratio to determine your budget. Step 2. Finalize your builder and construction plans. Lenders require detailed blueprints, cost estimates, and a signed builder contract. Step 3. Loan approval and closing. Once underwriting is complete, you close on the construction loan before building begins. Step 4. Construction phase. Funds are released in scheduled draws as each stage of the build is completed and inspected. Step 5. Loan conversion. After construction is finished, the loan converts into a permanent mortgage, often through a one-time close construction to permanent structure. With proper planning and professional guidance, construction financing can be efficient and predictable from start to finish. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.